how to transfer data from an old Samsung to a new Samsung phone on Android. This tutorial shows you how to back up all your important data and restore it on your new device. First, open your Android settings and scroll down to tap on Accounts and Backup. After that, you will see two backup options, Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. Choose whichever you prefer. From there, tap on Backup Data. At this point, you will see a list of everything you can back up, including contacts, apps, call logs, messages, and settings. In the next step, tap on each item you want to include in your backup to select them. Following this, once you have selected everything, tap on Backup Now to start the process immediately. Once done, make sure your internet connection stays stable and wait for the backup to fully complete before switching to your new phone. From here, on your new Samsung phone, go to the same Accounts and Backup settings and select the same backup option you used, Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. At this stage, tap on Restore Data and select the most recent backup from the list. Finally, tap Restore and wait for everything to transfer across. Once complete, your new phone will have all your data from your old device. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you transfer your data to a new Samsung phone, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.